explain how to solve 3 into 3 Rubik Cube. There are 3 layers for the cube. First layer, second layer, third layer. On this layer we have to solve one by one. So let's start. Hold the Rubik Cube like this where white color is in middle. Now we have to make a plus sign of white. First color is white and red. Now we have to see where this color is. It's here. Get this color on top. I brought this color. Now next color is white and green. It's here. Now get this color on top. I brought both the colors. Same way, get all the color till we get plus sign. See, it will look like this. Now next we have to solve the corners. That means we have to get all corners white. Let's take this green corner. To get white corner here, we have to move the cube and such that even this green and this red corner matches to their colors. Let's take other corner. To get white corner here, we have to find and move the cube such that even this orange and green corner matches to their colors. Like this, we have to solve other two corners. Like such, we have to completed first layer. Now solve second layer. Let's see which color will come over here. Here center is orange and here green. So orange and green color will come over here. Let's see where this color is. It's here. Now match this orange color on center orange. Then you take this orange color left side and top right side color down. I brought this color on center. Now we'll solve second color. Let's see which color will come over here. Here center is orange and here blue. So orange and blue color will come over here. Let's see where this color is. It's here. Now match this color on center. Then you take this color on right and top left side color down. I brought this color. Like this, we have to solve these two color. Second layer is complete. Now solve third layer. You have to make Rubik Cube upside down. Here also we have to make plus sign of yellow color. Before that, let me explain you some rule and formula. If you hold a Rubik Cube like this, then this is right side, this is left side, this upper side, this down side, this front side. If I turn upper side clockwise, then it is called U, and anti-clockwise U dash. Right side clockwise R and anti-clockwise R dash. Left side clockwise L, anti-clockwise L minus. Down side clockwise D, anti-clockwise D minus. Front side clockwise F, anti-clockwise F minus. There are four formulas to solve the third layer. First formula is F R U R dash U dash F dash. Second is R U2 R dash U dash R U dash R dash. Third is L U R U dash L dash U R dash U dash. And fourth is R D R dash D dash R D R dash D dash. Let's start. Hold cube like this, yellow color horizontal line. Then use first formula. F R U R U F. Here I got plus line. But we can see this color don't match with center color. Now we will use second formula. R U R U R U R. R U R U R U R. Now all the center color match. Now our cube look like this, where corner color are on proper place but does not match with the middle color. If the corner color are not in exact position, then we have to use third formula. In this case, as the corner are in proper place, means see this corner, yellow, blue and orange. Yellow should come here, blue here, orange here. Same way, see all the corner. They are in proper place, but a little shuffle is needed. If the corner were not in this exact position, we need to use the third formula. But in this case, we can skip third formula and directly go to fourth formula. That is RD. R D R D R D R D R D R D R D R D R D R D R D R D R D R D R D R D R D R D R D R D R D R D R D R D. Our cube is completed. And as you can see here, we have completed the Rubik Cube. Of course, this will need a little practice, but I am sure this method will help you solving the cube. If you like today's video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.